welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another unboxing, and this time it's the December version of the Teacher Care Crate, and I've been saving this for a really long time because last week, which was the first week of winter break, I was just binge watching my TV shows and I really didn't feel like doing too much. So this week I planned to open my Teacher Care Crate and start getting some videos edited and out on my channel. And if it's your first time here, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and you can also watch my monthly unboxings on my channel as well. Okay, so let's get started. Today's special guest is Mochi. She and I wish that everyone had a wonderful holiday season, and Mochi says please subscribe. Moch, do you want to say hi to the camera? Hello. What is that? December is my favorite month, so I was really excited to open this box. Open, please. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, I can't see. Oh, you guys can't see either. Oh. So the first thing in the box is always the info card that comes with every box. Really quick, these boxes run $29.99 a month, and if you wanted to do a 3-month prepay, it would be $27.99. So definitely up to you. I just do the month-to-month option as a little gift to myself to practice self-care, and the December box is kind of like a Christmas gift to myself. So let's read what the info card says. Whether you're celebrating a holiday or just enjoying a much-deserved break, let's make it the most wonderful time of the year. Alright, so I don't want to read through all of them because I want to be surprised. So each box comes with an art print, and this one says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and the artist is from Michelle Guy of the Anthro Teacher. So she designed this art print. Okay, so that was the art print. Let's see what else is in the box. Next, ooh, I saw this picture floating on Instagram, and it's really hard not to look at spoilers, especially if I open my box really late in the month, then a lot of the spoilers have already come out. But I was super excited to get this ornament. It says teach and inspire, and it's on this little wooden slab of sorts. Let me try seeing if it will focus. Maybe I can put it where my face is. Focus, please. I know the T is kind of hidden because of this bow, but I promise it says teach and inspire. Inspire. All right, let's see what's next in the box. Ooh, my mind already went to this head wrap. Cardboard crinkles. The next item in the box is this really cute buffalo plaid headband, and it's the perfect print for the holiday season. I wonder if I can try it on my head. I'll definitely trying this on later, just so we can get to all of the other items in the box. So I love how it's all matching. So we have the buffalo plaid headband, we have the buffalo plaid ribbon, and we also have the buffalo plaid info card. So let's see if there's more buffalo plaid in the box. So the next item in the box is this. It looks like a lime of some sort. It's organic loofah soap. We love organic and we love soap. So I think the soap is infused with this little piece of loofah. So you just scrub a dub and the soap is already in the loofah, so you don't need a loofah. Loofception. And it's in the scent Merry Mistletoe. And it smells like a Christmas tree. So I can't wait to try this one out later. Okay, so the next item in the box is this Hope, Joy, and Gingerbread mini chocolate bar. It says it's crispy honey gingerbread bits dunked in milk chocolate, which sounds amazing. Okay, we're going through the box really quick. The next item in the box is a holiday spice bubble bath. It says your bubble bath may arrive solid due to cold temperatures. Oh no, sorry, I thought that was an explanation. Okay, so it's a holiday spice bubble bath, and you know, who doesn't love a bubble bath? I can use my loofah soap and my holiday spice bubble bath. Let me smell it real quick. It smells like apple pie. I love anything apple. I love apple pie, especially the one from Costco. If you've tried it, it's so good. And I also love apple Fanta, or Fanta? Apple Fanta, the soda. That's the only soda I'll drink, apple Fanta. I'm so sad because we're already at the last item in the box. That was really quick. So the last item in the box is... what is this? Is it like a heat pack? Maybe an ice pack or heat pack? It's really... I like the little logo on it, or I like how it says hashtag teacher life on it. But what is this? To use... Ooh! It's a heat pack. It's a heat pack or ice pack, which I need because my neck, my back, they are suffering this year. It says to use heat, wrap pack with damp cloth or paper towel, microwave. So you can just microwave it, and then if you want to use it cold, you just freeze it. Oh, this is gonna be my best friend. A random fact about me, I used to work at Disneyland as a character performer. When I left, my neck, back, and shoulders, they are seriously still hurting to this day. And it's been, I don't know, I think it's been a year since I quit. So this is going to be really nice, especially on those days after teaching where you're hunched over all the time and your neck hurts. This is going to be perfect, and you can take it with you to school. All right, so those were all of the items in the box. I feel that this video went by really fast, so I don't know if I rushed, but let's double check all of the items in the box. So first we have our really cute buffalo plaid headband. Then we have our art print. Then we have our festive art print. Stay. And then we have our loofah soap, which smells like Christmas trees. Loofah soap. We have the hot and cold pack, and in the directions or in the info card it said that you can also use it on eyes. Okay, we have our little hot and cold pack. And then we have our bubble bath. There. I'm surprised all the items are staying and not falling out. And we also have, let's see. And then we also have our ornaments. Boop. And lastly, we have our gingerbread mini milk bar. So I'm gonna save that for dessert after I eat today. Rudy and I are going to, if you haven't watched my previous videos, Rudy is my boyfriend, and we're going to make some tacos. We're gonna try to make shrimp tacos, and we're also going to try to make Korean barbecue tacos with kimchi on top. So I'll save that for dessert after. All right, and then here is our info card. All right, everyone, so that is it for December's unboxing, and there are only a few days left in December, so I'm hoping to film my January unboxing in the middle of the month and not the end, so I don't have to see any spoilers. So if you would not like to miss out on any of my future videos, please hit subscribe, like this video, and comment down below which item that you like the most in this box. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday and a happy new year, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!